Hi, welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus 15, and in this video I will explain you what is quick launch and how to use it. So quick launch is one of the most useful and iconic productivity features on your OnePlus 15 phone. It is basically designed to give you instant access to your applications or for some kind of features immediately after unlocking your phone using the fingerprint sensor. So first of all, let's enable it. Let's set it up. Let's go to settings, and you want to go to section security and privacy. From here, find device unlock, and now let's go to fingerprint unlock section. Tap on fingerprint, and here you want to find quick launch option. Let's go here, and please make sure that it's on. So let me first of all show you how it works. So when your phone is locked, you want to use your finger on this fingerprint sensor, and please do not lift your finger until you see this menu. So if you wanted to simply unblock your phone, you would just do this. And what we want to keep your finger a little bit longer. And let me open my weather application. So this is the principle for using quick launch. So now let's customize it and add some another applications or another options and other features. So let's tap edit button, and here you can see that it is divided into section functions and applications. So here, as you can see, there are plenty of them. So it is very customizable. You can adjust what is up to you. Also, let's go to applications, and here you will see all the applications in the alphabetical order. So if you want to delete any kind of function or application from this list, you want to tap on minus, and in order to edit, to add any application or function, you want to simply tap on it. Additionally, you can reorder those applications and functions. And now when you're done, you have to tap done button in the top right to save changes. And now let's do that once again. So I will unlock my phone, hold my finger a little bit longer, and let's go to any kind of application. So this is basically all about quick launch on your OnePlus 15. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.